There we go. All right, so we're going to put together a sync base 60. And that should cover all the questions. Get a nice work table to work with. Preferably you have some pneumatic screw equipment to work with. And that's going to be the back panel. There's your hardware. These are the clips that are assembled to put the clip construction together. Taking a cabinet side, he lines it up with the connectors, uses the metal connector, knocks it in. These are all plywood cabinets. Do the left side, the same thing. In this case, it's a 60-inch sink base, so it has a center rail. You're going to slide the bottom panel in. Again, now the front rail, again, the connectors line up. And the clip gets fastened in.